In this video, we're talking about Falcon Finance token legit or scam. So before investing this token, do your own research before purchase or before take any action. So this is our collateralizations, instructions. This is secure and yield. The website you can see here, the Falcon Finance USD supply 1.9 billion. And if I check, this is one guys access this ecosystem. You can deposit your digital assets, including stable coins, blue chip, and altcoins. You have stake USDT. You can stake also. You can mating and staking. You can restake also to return by looking for fixed term staking leverage. You can launch the app. You have also the app from here. All you have to do just wait to swap. You can swap token from here. You have this option for swap. You can swap all this token. Just click connect your wallet. You can click agree term and service privacy policy. Choose OKX wallet or Binance wallet or Trust wallet from here, and then you can start connecting and staking. If I scroll down, guys, I see some collab with all this token. I didn't see any collaboration here with our platform, but you can join on Twitter, LinkedIn, Telegram, Discord, all this community here. The website looks professional without any complicated here. And you can also exchange rates. You have crypto project. You can trade, leverage, optimize trading strategy for asset. The price, guys, they didn't see any review about the price here. The circulating supply 2.3 billion, total supply 10 billion of this token. The bullish is 88%. This is a huge number for the bullish. You can see here, guys, this is a huge number here with a lot of for bearish for 200 almost 300 votes person. I see some engaging here, guys, on this community. I didn't see any information yet. If I check on Etherscan, just a wait, I see almost just 50%. This is all new token, but I see a lot of transfer here. And you can see here, this is member of Discord with almost 2.7 thousand member online on the Falcon Finance token. So guys, before make a purchase this token, do your own research. And I hope this guide helpful for you. You have also about us option. You have contact us. You can contact through this team. You just write any message from here to ask him about this project or something like this. Anyway, guys, this is new project. Do your own research before